Hi, my name is Jeff, welcome back to yet another video, and today I'll be showing you guys, the people on the interwebs, just a little game of a Minecraft Egg Wars. Well, it's a game in Minecraft called Egg Wars. It's on a server called CubeCraft. You should really go check it out. It's a really fun game, really fun server. It's just absolutely amazing to play on. I've been playing on it personally for like the past week and a half. So, before I get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment on what you want me just to do for the future videos, what games you want me to play, all that sort of stuff. So let's get right into the video. Right now what I'm doing is I'm collecting iron for iron generators to upgrade iron generators, and to get weapons, armor, and blocks to build to the center, and ultimately, the endgame result will be us winning. Now, as you can see, this guy is trying to steal all my iron, and I need about 50-something iron to get everything I need. I'm going to go ahead and start off with 40 and get a sword. Then, alright, I have enough for a pickaxe, but I don't think I knew it in this video. Looking back while I'm doing voiceovers, I realize everything that I actually do wrong, and it just kind of helps me be better at all the games that I do. Just because, well, I'm looking at the mistakes that I'm making, and I know not to do them. So, as you can see right now, I'm just getting blocks to build to the center. Big shout out to raceryt as well for helping me record this video. He's a big help in most of my videos. He does pretty much all my videos with me, so go to his channel and show some support by liking some of his videos, watching some of his videos, and just subscribing. That would mean a lot to him. Alright, so now I think we're gonna get some food. Usually I go about 4 food and then I'm done, because that's pretty much all you'll need. You tend to die pretty quickly in this game, unless you're really good at it. Now, something that you have to understand about me and Log Racer is that we are really good at Egg Wars. We've been playing it for a long time, but on different servers. But it's the same concept on all servers. You destroy an egg, you take out the people, and you win. Usually there are about 8 to 16 people in all the matches, depending on if it's duos or squads. Like, as of right now, we're playing squads, and there are 12 people left, including me, Log Racer, and the people in our team. So what I'm doing right now is I'm building up on the egg to kind of protect it, to make it harder for other teams to get to it. You'll always want to do that at the beginning. Well, what you'll want to do, first of all, is get some andesite to protect it with, then coat the egg with andesite, and then terracotta, rather than the other way around. Alright, now what me and Log Racer are doing is we're going over to the red team's egg to destroy it because it has absolutely no protection. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop in and take all of them out. As you can see right here, I destroyed their egg. Now I'm going to destroy the people. Alright, so as you can see right now, after you destroy an egg or multiple eggs, you get access to all those spawners. Well, you get access to the spawners anyway, but if there aren't any people, then you can't really worry about getting your stuff taken. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to jump down onto this guy after I build, because I can't reach him. Alright, I'm going to jump down and, alright, knockback, killed him. Alright, now I'm going to build back up. That was a big win. Aw, or not. Alright. So, as you can see, if you still have your egg on your base, you can respawn anytime you want. You can respawn it however many times you want. Like I said, at any time you want, and it's pretty cool. But then, like Red's egg, if your egg gets destroyed and then you're taken out, then there's no chance for you. You just respawn back at the lobby, and the other player wins. Alright, right now I'm just gonna get some blocks, a set of armor, and a sword. Alright. I'm gonna go back up here to get some more iron. I'm short on iron. Alright, now I've got a sword. I've got armor, I believe. Now for food. Like I said, always get about 4 food. It's enough to kind of keep you going throughout the entire thing. Alright, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna rush center and destroy another egg, I believe. I'm gonna go ahead and get those diamonds. Oh, it was Yellow's egg that needed to be destroyed. It's fine though. I think we win in this game as well, so stay tuned. Alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and get some stuff and rush them. Oh, our egg was destroyed. Hold on, I'm gonna see if I can clutch this. That's the last red guy. Come on, come on, come on. He's got iron armor. Oh, he's running. He's running. Is Love Racer gonna help? I don't know where he is. Alright, I got a good 3 hits on him there. And he didn't hit me. Alright, nice, we got him. Alright, I'm gonna go back here and get some food so I can heal. Then I'm gonna get the last yellow guy. Because it's only me and my other teammate right now. Alright, I'm gonna wait to heal, then go. Get a pickaxe real quick. And we're going. Alright, I'm almost to center. Come on. Oh, there's the last yellow guy. And I got him. Nice. So, like always, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye.